What's poppin'? How's everybody doing today? Good morning, good morning. You guys already know the drill. As soon as you join, click that like button. So, we got CPI dropping at 8:30, so in 9 minutes. We can try to find some setups in the time being. However, they might get invalidated. So, we are going to see what we can get. I actually want to see what DWAC is doing right now. I want to see if it's going crazy or not. Looks like it might be setting up for another move up. We'll see. Cool. So, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. One swing I'm keeping my eye on is Morgan Stanley. So, I believe it's JP Morgan that reports this Friday. We can swing Morgan Stanley as a lotto position for JP Morgan's earnings. But I am also going to look to enter this today, depending on what happens with CPI and, you know, what happens in the pre-market. But broke above all-time highs in the pre-market, so we're going to be looking and seeing what's going on. Anyways, where's my weekly watch? Priority week. Boom, start at the top. AMD, I would like to see it above yesterday's high. Look for a push there. Let's see, AMD. Good morning, everybody. American Express, another swing I'm looking at. Nice little 4 hour squeeze. Would like to see it break above this high right here. Actually, what was that? That was in the pre-market. Okay. I lied. That high. So, squeezing. Could see a breakout there. American Express. Boeing break above yesterday's high. Would like to see that. Yeah, yesterday was a weird day. Traded QQQ in the morning, right off of the rip to the downside, made some profit, went back into QQQ a little later, and then lost some profit. So, caught it a day, got filled on my butterflies for DWAC 100%, 200%. We're gonna put DWAC on the list today. Facebook. Looks like Facebook's breaking out. Let's see, Facebook. Hold on. There we go. I just created a poll. Is it gonna pop up in the chat? Does the poll not go in the chat? Does it go on my YouTube? Oh, there it is. We bull or bear today? Bull? Make sure you guys vote. Why not? JP Morgan also has a really nice squeeze. 1 hour squeeze. We're seeing a lot more setups than we did yesterday, that's for sure. Just depends if CPI is gonna ruin it. Also, did anybody catch that that Lucid yesterday? That was on the weekly watch list. However, I was watching it, those the $44 calls really did not move too much. We will watch Lucid above yesterday's high, though. I like that. Lucid. Yeah, the CPI drops in 5 minutes. You just gotta pull it up on Twitter. Let's see, Morgan Stanley. Video, not too interested. Okay, E, that's a swing I'm looking at. PayPal, of course, you gap down. Nice. Yeah, from the breakout on Lucid and the $44 calls, they only moved like 20 bucks, which was weird. The entire run up, they only moved like 20 bucks. Very weird. Seems like a lot of you are going to be bullish today. That's what I like to see. We got a bunch of bulls up in the house today. 4 minutes until CPI. 85% of you are bullish. Not too interested in a firm. We looked at AMD. We looked at Boeing. Baba got a price upgrade. Huge price upgrade of like 200 and what was it? 256. Baba. Yeah, I saw that the 45 contracts moved nice, but the 44s moved terribly. Let's see, we'll look at Baba today. Baba's up, Baidu's gonna be up. I like that Baba better. %86 bulls now. We looked at Facebook. Goldman Sachs. Looks like the squeeze is firing. Nice little rounding bottom. 4-hour squeeze. Look for a break above 404.50. Alright, 86% bulls in the house. We already looked at Lucid. Moderna below yesterday's low. Be interested in that. Do you leave a runner if you experience FOMO/paper hand syndrome? I'm very confused by that question. Let's see, Microsoft, not too interested. CPI basically hints towards inflation. The stock market doesn't like the word inflation. Consumer price index. Are we paying more for everyday items? Qualcomm had a huge day yesterday. Let's see, Qualcomm. All right, we got 1 minute until CPI. Let's see what we get. 0.6% versus 0.5%, estimated prior 0.5%. Let's see what the futures are going to do. They're going to rip. Let's see, year over year. 5.5% versus 5.4%, estimated prior 4.9%. Let's see, 7% versus 7%, estimated prior 6.8%. for USA CPI. Core CPI year over year 5.5% versus 5.4%. So we gonna die? We gonna keep it going? We shall see. Give it a couple minutes. Thank you. Make sure you guys are clicking that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed. We're actually so close to 15K. I'm at like 14,830 something subs. So if you guys could smash that like button, it would be greatly, greatly appreciated. I want to see how this candle does though. I mean, the CPI wasn't terrible. Market does not like inflation. Who's gonna win this battle? Oil's breaking out though. Watch Exxon, Chevron. Alright, we're just gonna keep running through the list. We'll come back and look. Let's see. Raku, not interested. Snap, not interested. SQ, about to break that falling wedge. Be interested if it did. Starts when you sign up for the membership. Oh baby, Tesla. Tesla might tempt me today. There's no need to put in the chat multiple times to look at a stock. If I end up not looking at it, it's probably because it's not on the list, or I already looked at it and I don't like it. No need to say it multiple times. Trust. Cool. We actually got a pretty big list today. So, AMD, American Express, Boeing, DWAC, Facebook, JP Morgan, Lucid, Morgan Stanley, Apple, Baba, Goldman Sachs, Moderna, Qualcomm, SQ, and Tesla. Big list. How we doing over here? Cool. Let's narrow this bad boy down. AMD. Neo, not on the list. Let's see. We'll see what Neo does later in the day. Whoops. American Express. Would like to see that breakout. That squeeze fire, that would be ideal. I would like to swing that. Boeing's breaking above the level. TWAC. Could go bananas today. Honestly, I'd like to see it bounce. I do really like that the DWAC though. I'd like to see what it does in the pre-market. Nice little 30-minute squeeze too. Let's see if Facebook can chill out. That's something I'll watch. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. That JP Morgan squeeze is firing. May not be able to get that. Lucid. Open up a Interactive Brokers account if you're outside the US. Let's see, Lucid over 45.50. Very interested in that. Why is it gray? There we go. Very interested in Lucid. We're gonna watch Lucid today. Means the bid and ask are too far away from each other. Lucid looking for a break above 45.50 for the continuation. Broke above major resistance yesterday with a daily squeeze that's still I have no resistance until 48.13, then 49.2. Bingo.
Bing bang.
There's your bing bong for the morning. Now, we just gotta make sure stuff doesn't go crazy. Start breaking the levels. Well, Roblox break 190. I wonder what this guy's on. What kind of drugs you take this morning? Yeah, I use TrendSpider when I'm looking at like clean charts. If that makes sense. Let's see. Lucid off the list. That is posted. Cool. And we have Morgan Stanley. Would like to see what this bad boy does. I'm definitely going to be looking to put that swing on. Might turn into a day trade, we'll see. Let's see, Morgan Stanley, Apple. Yeah, Apple's going to go crazy. Take Apple off since it already broke the level. And I hate trading Apple. Baba. Ooh. Alright, we'll come back to this one, see what happens. Goldman Sachs. See, the issue is with Goldman Sachs, like, doesn't show you any pre-market data. 404.13 is the bid. We'll come back to that. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button as well as clicking that subscribe button. We got 200 people up in here, only 124 likes. The math does not add up. And again, I'm so close to 15K subscribers. It would mean the absolute world to me if you guys could click that subscribe button. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Running out of breath. Still interested in this Moderna though. Moderna below 220. Very interested. Qualcomm, come on. What's the bid at? 187.05. Yeah, that broke out. Take Qualcomm off. SQ has yet to break the level. And Tesla. Why you gotta break out, Tesla? Let's see what Tesla does in the pre-market. Alright, let's run back through it again. That squeeze on AMD looks really, really good. I would like to see it kind of just chill out. Maybe in this area, like 139.50. Look for a trade from there, we'll see. Just press Bowen. Yeah, Bowen's far going. Take Bowen off. I keep DWAC on watch. When making my pre-market list in the morning, I watch the hourly, 4-hour, and daily. Cool. See, I hate when this happens though, when everything... I hate when there's news and everything moves. We're gonna keep an eye on Facebook though. We'll see where the pre-market high ends up being. Oh, JP Morgan got smacked. Take JP Morgan off the list. Baba. Let's see, 136.82. Not really too much resistance. I'll take it. I think it looks good. Especially with that huge price upgrade. Let's see. Where'd it go? Watching due to huge price upgrade. Looking for a break above 137.07 for a push to 138.08. From there could, yeah, CPI could have made the SPY drop. Watch Baba today. Yes, I said corn was a complete lotto. They were like 20 bucks. 25 bucks. I bought 4. Complete lotto. Let's see, so we got Baba. Goldman Sachs. Not interested. Moderna. Might find its way onto the list later for puts. Shall see. I want to see what this SQ does. Let me look at the other chart. Let's see. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Oops. guess I gotta make this a different color. AMD. Very tight 30-minute squeeze. Looking to fire up. I will be looking for a break above 139.54 for a continuation to 141.19. Then 143.39. Cool. Let's get one more. Let's see, American Express. Gonna have to wait and see. This Facebook is very interesting. I do want to keep my eye on it. Let's see, watch. Morgan Stanley, watch it for a swing. Moderna, you can watch this below pre-market lows. I'm gonna have to see a little closer to market open if it actually makes it to the list. SQ, I want to see what it does in the pre-market. Might actually put that on the list as well, because it's going to be breaking this little daily falling wedge right here. Let's see, Tesla, want to see what this does in the pre-market. That nice little 1 hour squeeze, break above pre-market highs, could go crazy. But yeah, as far as now, I only got 3 things. I'm gonna have to wait a little closer to market open to decide on the other one. So as of now, we got Lucid, we got Baba, and we got AMD. So those are the 3 stocks I'm going to be watching. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Let's see, Lucid, Baba, AMD. But yeah, if you guys could like the video, it would mean the absolute world to me. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Super close to 15,000 subscribers. So if you guys have not, make sure to click that subscribe button. I know 242 of you, all of you in here are not subscribed. So I need you guys to do that. If you guys didn't know, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. As well as every single Sunday, I provide you guys with a weekly watch list. Not only that, I give you guys educational content almost daily. But yeah, that's going to be what I'm watching today. If you guys are not in the Discord server, feel free to join. The link will be at my Instagram, Car Horns. If you click the link in my bio, you can join from there. But yeah, other than that, if you guys are able to make money off of the watch list today, feel free to take a screenshot, send it to me on Instagram. And yeah, hopefully everybody's able to make money. I'll be live again tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Everybody.